Hello friends, this is tutorial number 55 in this Turbo Pascal programming language tutorials. Okay, we will continue again with our application. It is large application, but you will be expert coders with this type of exercise. Okay, we created 7 options, this 7 from 10 options of this tutorial. Okay, in the previous tutorial we created option number 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just be sure if it runs properly. Okay, lowest floor. Okay, in Budapest, first floor. Okay, highest floor, and it is option number 5. It is in Sofia. Okay, because it's floor 16. And lowest building, it will be in Belgrade, and this is option number 6. Okay, oh, this is perfect. And let's run again. And okay, it is option number 7. Okay, again will be Sofia because this is building of 20 floors. Now we need okay, we have this. Let me see. Okay, we now need to display apartment in building without and with elevator. Okay, let's create procedure for that. Okay, so many procedures in this application. Okay, let's go down. Okay, here we will create our procedure. And name of the procedure will be elevator no. Okay, this will be the name of the procedure. You can create another if you want. Now we need a variable a, which will be apartment. Okay, let's create begin and end of this procedure, and we need to type with a do, and we again need begin, and then let's work with the booleans a little. And just a second, we need semicolon here. And okay, we need again a for loop for x equals 1 to 4 do, and we again need begin and end of this for loop, but we need to go down. Okay, let's create begin and end, and let's okay, if apartments of element x dot elevator, we have a field elevator which is boolean, equals to false, then begin and end. Okay, we will just define a will be, but okay, we will not. Okay, we will define, but we have just one apartment. I want to show you something else, but I will do in the next procedure in elevator. Yes. Okay, a will be equals to apartments of x, and we will call the procedure apartment scan, and it will be a, and this should be good. And let's let's copy and paste it here, and it will be elevator yes. Okay, and if apartment of x dot elevator, okay, and okay, I want to show you first, but it's almost the same. We just need to change to true here, but I want to show you something. Just a second. If I don't use apartment scan here, okay, we define A, and if we call it, we will just use elevator yes. Just wanted to show you the difference, okay. But it's option number, okay, without elevator, with elevator. This is with elevator, it is number 9. If we just call in here elevator yes, and we use with elevator, and if we use apartment scan here, it will not be good, because, but I just wanted to show you with elevator, it will show just one apartment. And let's clear this a little, and let's select option 9. Okay, we have apartment in Sofia. Okay, it has elevator, but we have 3 more elevators, 3 more apartments with elevators. Okay, we have in Sofia, but okay, here is in Budapest with elevator, and we have here, we have in Warsaw with elevator, but it isn't, because we just defined apartment A. It will be on one apartment with elevator, and show we told the program you need to display me apartment with elevator. We didn't told him to display array. He will display just one of the apartment. Okay, and we will just change here. We need just to call the method. Okay, this apartment scan will not need us. Okay, we will not use it here. Here we will just define with highest floor. Okay, and here we will just, in the procedure, we will use apartment scan. But okay, where is just wanted to show you that. And okay, I need elevator yes. Okay, and we will just use it from here. We have here in the elevator. No, let's use copy, and let's use a paste, and now it will be just okay here to be in line. And now if we run again, and let's select option number 9 with elevator, and as you can see, we have all of this up. They didn't even separate it. Okay, it works, but we need to change something. Okay, first we need to separate them, and we have 3 apartments. We have 3 apartments, and okay, we can also we can just here, before run it again, we can also, we forgot to define, we can also use to define option number 8, which is elevator no, and we call the procedure elevator no, and we have variable without elevator, and this should be work properly. And let's try again, let's try to run again number 9 with elevator, as you can see, but we forgot we could have some text. Okay, And as you can see, here is display, but we have now 3 apartments and it's too much. We can see them all because of this. But as you can see, they are all, we have a tree with elevator and they are all displayed. Okay, and let's try option number 8 without elevator. It will be good. As you can see, here is the apartment, but we could have a text, a couple of stars to write apartment without elevator. We will do it now, and we will change. We will have 2 true and 2 false to be easier to show. Okay, need to go a little down. Okay, we passed. Okay, too large application. Okay, here is the elevator. No, here is the elevator. Yes. Okay, begin. Okay, it needs to be before this for loop. We need a couple of text. Right line, we forgot a text. It is better. Okay, it will show us, but it is better to write what will gonna show us. Okay, right line, and we can copy this. We can use once more, and let's paste it, and between these stars we will write the text. Okay, right line. Okay, apartment in the building without, or we could just type building without elevator. Okay, this is yes. No, this is yes with in the building with elevator. Okay, we can use S because we suppose that there are. Okay, and this should be good. And let's use this text. Let's use this text and let's paste it in elevator. No, and we will just change, but it needs to be before for loop. Okay, here's the before for loop. If we put it inside the for loop, inside the for loop, it will display every time when loop runs, and it will not be good. Okay, that should be fine. And also, what can we change? Okay, apartment. Okay, here in the Budapest, we can change to false to have 2 and 2. 2 true and 2 false, and let's run again. Let's clear and let's run to see what we will get. Okay, and we get one error. Yes, I think that I didn't. Okay, I don't have a semicolon. Okay, I failed on exam. Okay, what can I do? That's a life. And okay, let's compile. Okay, what? Okay, I put it already. I think that I am. Yes. This is a we use copy paste, and this is okay. Let's compile. Okay, that's the disadvantage of the copy paste. Okay, and you have an error, and you use copy paste. It's great. Okay, now let's display building without elevator. Okay, and we didn't separate. Okay, this works, but we didn't separate. Okay, let's do. We need. I saw that we need a couple more stars. Yes, we need to equalize with this. Okay. But it should be. I don't understand. It should be separated. Okay, this is elevator, yes, and elevator no, doesn't have. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, I will just copy and paste from here. We forgot to separate. Okay, we will separate now. And let's run again. Let's see how it will gonna run now. No, it will work, but okay, without elevator. Number 8, it should be Budapest and Belgrade. And here it is. Here it is. Okay, now it's separated. Okay, these stars. I could put more. Okay, like it's a money and I am saving it. Okay, but let me see. Okay, but it's readable. Apartments in the building with elevator. Okay, as you can see, we have these two apartments that elevator is false, and this is perfect. And now let's select option number 9. Let's select. Okay, we can run. And okay, let's select option number 9. Okay, and we have 3 true. Just I don't see this one. Sophia 2 times. What's the problem? Okay, maybe we have some error. We will see now what's the problem. Or let me check if I deleted elevator. Yes, number 9. Let me see from here. Why are you scanning here? We scanned inside the procedure of elevator. Yes, we don't need another. Okay, that's my mistake. The rest should be fine. Let's clear and let's run again. I forgot to delete, nothing else. Okay, apartment in the building with elevator and this is good. This is good. Just okay, this is better. Apartments with the elevator is perfect. Just need a couple more. Let's beautify this a little. Let's beautify. Where is elevator? Yes and no. We want to this okay, this elevator no is not good. Need a couple more stars. Okay, I think that I put it too much. Okay, okay, here will be good. It's not too much, and here can be more, and also here can be couple more. I don't know how. Okay, this will be, I think this will be good. And let's go to elevator. Yes, it's down. Okay, this is good, and need couple more stars here, and it will be good. Let's try again. Let's run. We want without elevator. Okay, and now it's more prettier. Now it's good. It's good. Maybe even couple more stars here where this is separated, but it's good. It's pretty much good. And now let's see apartments in the building with elevator. Number 9. Perfect. This works like a charm. And now let's find. We have, I think, just one more thing to resolve. Okay, if I find, because code is too large, and we will continue if I find. If I don't find, we will, okay, we'll skip option. But we found. Okay, it's the closest apartment to the city center. Okay, let's create the procedure. Oh, how many procedure here? Okay, okay, I need to, okay, this is elevator, yes, and here, let's create another procedure. Okay, I can call it center. Okay, we will just give the name, simple name, we don't give name near center, I don't know. Okay, it will be just a center. Okay, let's find, it will be variable. And name, okay, it's A, of course, apartment. And now we need semicolon, and let's create begin and end of this procedure, and we need to type with a do, and again we need begin and end. and this is a real. We need first we will use some text, right line, and right line couple of stars. Okay, we could paste them. Copy and paste. Okay, we have our stars, and now let's write right line. We will just the closest to the city center. Okay, it should be enough. And we know that it's apartment. Okay, we can forget semicolon, but okay, we need just one loop. We will not copy paste. Okay, I don't need here. I need to start for loop here. And let's start for loop. X equals 1 to 4, and do. And let's create begin and end of this for loop. Okay, we forgot one thing. We are looking for closest to the center. Okay, distance to the center. It's a field and it's a real, and we will use min real, and we need to define it as a 0. And let's use it. Okay. Let's start. First, we need a control statement. If min real equals to 0 and it will be or min real is greater than, and I need the field. It will be apartments of element X, and I need a field. Let me see. I need now to see which is the field. It's too large. It is better for copy paste. Distance from city center. Okay. And now I need to find where is my procedure. Too many. Okay, here is my procedure. It is our procedure, because we are doing this together. Okay, it's greater than apartment of X dot distance from city center. Okay, and we need two closing bracket, and we need then, and I could create a smaller name of the field, but okay, now it's done. And we need to define, but I will define it. I will use copy paste a little. I'm lazy. Okay, and I'm not so lazy, it's too big. Okay, I will use I will select copy, and I will define, but I need first I can't forget begin. Just a second. Begin and end of this control statement, semicolon, and I need to define minimum. Let me see. A little to the right. And I need a semicolon here, and I need to change this greater of equal, and this should be good. And also we will define a which will be equal to apartments of X. And I want okay, I know I can call it in scanning, but I want to scan it here. Okay, when we're looking lowest building, okay, we scanned here, and maybe it was the problem because we scanned in for loop. We can call the scan after this for loop finish, and Okay, here for loop is finished, just a little space. Okay, we can call now apartment scan, and we will use A. We will see will it work now properly. And okay, the name of the method is, okay, here is the name of the method I need. Okay, we know the name of the procedure is center, and I need name of the variable. It will be closest to center. Okay, we will just call procedure center, and we will call this, and we will see if it will work. Maybe because maybe it was a mistake. I called when we were looking for the lowest floor and building. Maybe that was the problem. Okay, this is closest to the center. This is, but we need a procedure which is name is center. Okay, just a second. Okay, now it should. Let's see if it will run. But maybe we made some error. Let's compile. Okay, we didn't. And let me see. Okay, this is. Let me see. Just closest to the center. Okay, 2.6, 1.5, 2.1, 0.8. It should be Budapest. Let's see what we will get. Let me see, number 10. Yes, this is good, this is perfect and perfectly fine. Okay, okay, and it looks perfect. And now let's just change to see if it will work. And okay, here we will type 0.5 where it's in Warsaw. Let's run now, and let's use option number 10. Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect. Works like a charm. Okay, but we could use this. Okay, and it looks better. It looks better. Now, okay, we have, and it looks more prettier with just one option. Okay, this is number 7. Okay, we can delete. Okay, now it's working and it's complete. Okay, but what will I change here? Now I will just change here. Where we have this is the longest. Where are the longest buildings? Where we have 2 fields, I will change. I will just delete apartment scan, or I can comment it. Okay, I will delete it. You can put you can left as you want, because this is a better solution. And let's delete all of scannings, because I want to use scan inside the methods. It will be quickly. And here also I will delete apartment scan, because it looks more prettier to call it from from procedure. Okay, we have procedure. Okay, this is procedure center, and let me just. Okay, we have here apartment scan, and we will use in the other method. Okay, the both ways you can use, but I think it is better when we finish all in the procedure. Let's go with procedure number 1. Just a second. No, procedure doesn't have numbers, but we just okay. Let's see here. Okay, the cheapest apartment. But when we want to scan from the procedure, okay, we need to do when for loop is finished, because if we do it in the for loop, it will scan a couple of apartments, but there are some cases when we want it, but this is the case when we are looking just for one apartment, we can do it. Okay, here we resolved the cheapest, here in the most expensive. Also first will be price, and after that we will scan apartment. Okay, room we don't need. And here lowest floor, we will also do the same thing when this for loop is finished. Okay, here we will scan. Okay, highest floor we will also, but after the for loop is finished. Okay, it can be here. And okay, we lowest building and highest building, it will be okay, but it needs to be after the for loop is finished. For loop begin and end is here. It is better, but just you need to take care. You can, if you use it here, it will be scanned couple of times, and we don't want to do that. And we just need here in the highest building. Okay, for loop starts here, finish here. That is big advantage of begin and end. And now our application should working properly. And now let's just start to see if everything works good. Now we will just okay, we change a little, but I wanted just to have in the case in this case of we have just one line of code, and okay, when you have just one line of code, it will work. The advantage is, okay, I'm always using begin and end. Just want to tell you, when you have just one line of code, in case of statement, you can use without begin and end, but the problem is you will forget. Okay, you will forget to use it when you have more lines of code. But I want to tell you, and you will see if will you use it when you have one line of code, will you not. Okay, it's up to you. I am using it always. It is the same thing for the if and else statements. Okay, now we have in all of these case of statements, we have just in all of cases we have one line of code. We define scanning in the procedures, and we will clear. Let's clear and let's run our application couple of times again. We want, okay, first number 0, okay, bad entry, try again, it works. And okay, we can just number 11. Okay, this works perfectly. Now let's select the options. The cheapest apartment, okay, this is price 48,000 and it's apartment in Sofia, okay, which is great. This is the smallest and the cheapest because of the price per square meter. And we want to see now, we want to select most expensive one. Okay, the most expensive apartment is in Warsaw, 105,000, which works perfectly. We already. And now let's see these options that we changed a little. No, first rooms, we didn't change the rooms. Okay, we will have display 3 rooms. Okay, this is the apartments in Budapest, in Warsaw with 3 rooms. When we say 3, it needs to be 3.0, it cannot be 3.5. Okay, and when we run again, okay, we need now, we will see if the lowest floor, it should be Budapest, and it is first floor on the Budapest. You saw that we changed the code a little. The only change we didn't scan from the case of statement. We scan from the procedure that we made from the lowest floor. This is the only difference. I told you. You see, it can work in the both ways. You will select which way you want to use. I just this was better. I show you both ways. Okay, and now let's select highest floor. It should be apartment in Sofia, because okay, floor apartment on the highest floor, it is floor 16 in Sofia, which is great. This works properly. Let's run again. Okay, I didn't want to use the loop because if we have loop, you see that the question is almost half of the screen, and if we use repeat until, it will not be good for the display. Okay, what I wanted? Okay, I wanted the lowest building, number 6, and it should be Belgrade. Okay, this is building of 4. Okay, which is correct. And okay, we can have a part, but yes, it is correct. 8 floors. Okay, 8, 4, 16, and 20. Of course, in Belgrade is lowest building. Let's see highest building. It should be in Sofia. Okay, because 20. Okay, here we have in Belgrade 4. This is the low. 16 and 20. Here is the 20 Sofia. In Budapest we have 8, which works perfectly fine. Now let's see. Without elevator, number 8. Okay, we can also check from here. As you can see, we have without, but I use it here. I didn't. It works. I select false, but what I didn't change the text when I use copy paste with elevator. I need to change the text. Just to see. Without elevator, no. Elevator, no. Okay, it's down. This is a syntax error, but needs to be lowest building. Okay, highest. Okay, elevator, no. As you can see, we have type here apartments in the building with elevator. It should be without elevator. Okay, that was a mistake. Maybe okay, where we use, I think that we the closest to the, okay, this is one is good. I didn't saw maybe where the, okay, building without elevator. Okay, the highest building, the lowest building. Okay, these ones are highest floor and lowest floor. Okay, we don't have syntax error there. Now let's run what we wanted. Okay, let's see. Without elevator, number 8. Okay, here as you can see, false, and apartments in the building with hot. Okay. Oh, this is a tutorial programming. My mistake. Again. Okay, no, it's normal. I'm tired a little. Okay, this was not easy application. Okay, now I need to find my procedure. Where is my procedure again? Most expensive, lowest floor. Okay, elevator with hot. I don't know what I with. Okay, I forgot you. Okay, no, I didn't have bad intentions. Okay, let's try again. Okay, without elevator, number 8. Okay, now it's good. Apartments in the building without elevator. And okay, as you can see, in Budapest, in Belgrade, we have apartments in the buildings without elevator, which is perfect. Let's try with option number 9. Okay, option with elevator, and let's see. Okay, apartments in the building with elevator. Okay, in the Warsaw, in the Sofia, we have apartments that are in the building with elevator. We can see which is true. Boolean is easy to check. Okay, and now we have just to try again option number 10. Closest to the city center is apartment. Okay, within it is 0.5. Okay, yes, we change. Okay, as you can see, just to put it back. Okay, I want to go back to our apartments. Okay, yes, it was fine. It is 0.5 in Warsaw. Okay, in Budapest is 0.8, and this works perfectly. Now, if I just check, I will put 1.5 in Warsaw, and it should show us Budapest with 0.8 as closest to the city center. And let's try. Okay, the last check for this tutorial. Okay, and it's perfect. It's in Budapest. This application works like a charm. Okay, as you can see, too many lines. How many lines of code? Okay, we will see when we will compile. Okay, let's just compile to see. Okay, 390 a line of code. Okay, it was I know it wasn't easy, but okay, with me, I really hope that you learn with me. Okay, I really hope that you type together this with me, and that you, of course, I know that it is just the most difficult to do once, but when you success to build once, you will know how to build it again with practice. And you can check with you can practice with similar another examples. Okay, you be creative a little. Okay, but I really hope that you like and understand this. Okay, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have a link in the description, and I will see you in the next tutorial.